Have you ever wondered how some people seem to build wealth without huge salaries or lucky breaks? The answer is something called compound interest, and it's one of the most powerful forces in the financial world. Albert Einstein allegedly called it the eighth wonder of the world. Why? Because it quietly works in the background, growing your money faster and faster the longer you let it run. Let's break it down in simple terms. Compound interest means you earn interest not just on your money, but also on the interest it already earned. It's like planting a tree, and then that tree grows more trees, and those trees grow more. Over time, it becomes a forest. Here's a simple example. Let's say you invest $100 a month starting at age 25. You keep investing until you're 55. That's 30 years. At an 8% average annual return, you'll end up with about $140,000. Now, what if you waited 10 years and started at age 35 instead? Same $100 a month, same return, same 30-year time frame, but now your final total is only around $60,000. That's a $80,000 difference, just because you started later. You didn't invest less money. You didn't earn a lower return. You simply gave compound interest less time to grow. That's the key. Time matters more than money. And here's the real kicker. Even if you invest less each month but start earlier, you can still end up with more than someone who waits. Let's compare two people. Sarah starts investing $100 a month at age 25 and stops at 35. She puts in just $12,000 total, then leaves it alone. Mike starts at 35 and invests $100 a month all the way until 65. He puts in $36,000, 3 times more. Guess who has more money at age 65? Sarah wins. Why? Because she gave her money more time to grow. That's the magic of compounding. Now let's talk about simple interest versus compound interest. Simple interest means you earn the same flat amount every year. For example, $1,000 with 5% simple interest gives you $50 per year, forever. Compound interest means in year 2, you earn 5% not just on the $1,000, but also on the $50 you earned in year 1. In year 3, you earn 5% on even more. The growth curve starts slow, then takes off like a rocket. At first, it feels like nothing is happening, but after 10, 15, 20 years, the results explode. This is why long-term investors often say, time in the market beats timing the market. So how do you make compound interest work for you? Here's a simple step-by-step plan. Open a brokerage account. Fidelity, Vanguard, Charles Schwab. Choose low-cost index ETFs like VOO, SCHD, or VT. Invest consistently, monthly or bi-weekly. Reinvest dividends. Be patient. Don't touch it. The longer you wait to start, the more it costs you. But if you start now, even small amounts, the rewards are massive. Let me show you what happens if you stop investing after a while. Let's say you invest $100 a month for 10 years, then stop. If you let that money sit and grow for another 20 years, with no new deposits, it can still double or triple, thanks to compounding. So yes, the money you invest early is more powerful than money you invest later. And the best part? Compound interest doesn't care who you are. It doesn't care about your job title, education, or where you came from. It only cares about one thing, when you start. So if you're watching this and thinking, I'll invest when I earn more, just remember, you can't get back lost time. Even $50 a month today is better than $200 a month 5 years from now. Start now. Start small. Stay consistent. And let time do the hard work for you. If you found this helpful, like the video, leave a comment and subscribe for more simple investing content every week. And remember, compound interest is slow at first, but unstoppable in the long run. This video is for educational purposes only. It is not financial advice. Always do your own research before investing.